Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll see how to make a consumer and a producer using Kafka and Node.js. So here I have already made the necessary requirements in order to run a Node.js project. If in case you don't know, I'll link that in the iCard above. So here I have downloaded Express, body parson and all of that, and the server I have chosen port number 4000. You can use any port number you want. Now let's install Kafka node package. Also, my Kafka server is up and running. Here you can see. Okay, so we'll start Kafka node package because that's what we require to um, run Node.js in Kafka project. So npm install Kafka node, and here it will get installed in 1 minute or 2 minutes, and we'll just require it here. Okay, require Kafka node. We'll simply create one folder with any name you can give. Let's say Kafka only, and inside that we'll create one file producer.js which will contain all the functionalities to create a producer. Now for that I'll just go to this link. So here I'm gonna refer this link. In order to create a producer, just copy and paste in our producer.js file so that we can create a producer. Also this thing right here. Now we'll create one method which will create our topic and messages. So async request response next, and we'll go back to that, and here you can see this is the method to create topic and messages. We'll just copy it and paste it. Okay, fine. This we just need to export this module in order to use it in our routes. Equals to create producer. Since we are using Kafka client here, so it will be Kafka client, and we need to require that package here also. So where Kafka equals to require Kafka node. Yes. Now let's create a route folder, routes, and inside that let's create one file, routes.js. Okay, now let's use Express. And router equals to express.router. Const controller equals to we just need this file here. That will be our Kafka and producer. So router dot, since the method will be post because we are sending topics and messages, so it will be a post call, and let's just write producer here, controller dot create producer, and we'll just export this here. Yes. So this is the method we have created to create a producer. In create producer, we'll add topic and messages. So let's just go to Postman. We have to also start a project. Okay, routes. So in index.js, we have to require that routes file. Cool. Yes, now it is up and running. And we'll go to Postman, open a new tab, and it will be a post call. So localhost 4000 producer, and in body it will be a JSON file. So we will give topic as demo and some message. Demo session. The status is okay. What we have to do is we'll just go to producer, and we just erase all of these and create one thing, rest.send message saying successfully added, topic, and payloads. Now if we'll just create demo2 session, now you can see the topic is added with this topic name and message, demo session. Now we have to create a consumer. So for that, in this Kafka folder only, we'll create one more file, consumer.js. Okay, and we'll go to that link, and here we'll copy all of this which is required to create a consumer. Yes, now we have to create one method. So what I'll do, I'll take all of these inside one method. So create consumer, module.exports, create consumer, okay. So here the topic is hard coded, which is posts. Now I'll change it to request.params.query or topic. Let's save it and go to our routes file. I have to import that thing here. So let's call it con controller. Kafka and consumer. Since consumer is a get call, so we'll use get method and topic con controller dot create consumer. Let's go back to Postman. Okay, cons create consumer. This will be same con. Now let's go back to Postman and open one new tab. And the topic. So we have already created a topic demo too. So we'll just give it here and click the send button. Yeah, the Kafka client. Here we have to use Kafka client. Just save it and now go back to Postman. The topic is being consumed. We have to get a response here, so I'll add one field, rest.send message consumer created, topic. Now to use that thing, we have to give it as topic and request.params.topic outside of this consumer, because otherwise we cannot use that thing over here in respond send. So we have defined topic here. Now we'll just replace it with topic, and in response.send we'll mention this topic here. And okay, now let's just save it, and we'll again hit this button and see here on the message we got, consumer created and topic is demo2. So in this way we can create a producer and a consumer using Node.js. So I hope you like this video and this video was helpful for you guys. Please, if you have any queries, I'll request you to please comment down below, and thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.